There are many ways to create a resume, like designing one from scratch or using complicated design software. But if you want something fast, clean, and professional, Canva has hundreds of resume templates you can use right away. What I'm about to show you step by step is how to find and customize Canva resume templates that can help your application stand out in 2026. A resume that actually gets you hired should be clean, easy to read, and highlight your core skills and achievements right at the beginning, because most hiring managers only spend about 10 to 12 seconds scanning each resume before deciding whether to keep reading. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account. In the search bar, type resume and Canva will show you different resume templates you can start with. Choose a template that matches the style you want, whether it's modern, minimal, or professional. Once a template opens on your canvas, you can start customizing it with your own information. Click on the text boxes and replace them with your name, contact details, work experience, education, and skills. Canva makes it easy to edit everything, so you can change the fonts, colors, or layout to match your personal style. To make your resume stronger, make sure your core skills, key achievements, or strongest qualifications appear near the top of the page. Since recruiters scan resumes quickly, placing your most important information first increases the chances that they notice your value immediately. You can also add extra sections if needed, like certifications, achievements, or projects. This is helpful if you want to highlight experiences that make you stand out from other applicants. After you finish editing your resume, review everything carefully to make sure your information is clear, concise, and well organized. When you're ready to download it, click on Share, then Download, and choose PDF Standard or PDF Print depending on how you plan to send it. PDF format helps keep your layout consistent when employers open your resume. Now your resume is ready to be submitted with job applications, emailed to recruiters, or uploaded to job platforms. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created a professional resume using Canva templates. With a clean layout and your strongest skills highlighted at the top, you'll have a resume that's much more likely to grab attention even in the first few seconds. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.